Hello, thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to break down goddess pose for you. This pose has a lot of great benefits, and before we get started, one thing to remember is on this pose, if you have any recent or chronic injury to your legs, your hips, or your shoulders, then this is a pose you'll want to avoid. So if you don't have any of those, we'll get started on goddess pose. Keep on watching to the end to find out what the benefits are of this pose. Okay, to begin, you're going to need to take your legs 3 to 4 feet apart. So you want your stance about 3 to 4 feet apart, and you want your feet at a 45-degree angle. I'm going to work on the base first, and then we'll add in the arm movement. For a modification, you can use a wall, and at that point, you would go ahead and put your back to the wall as a support. So that's the only difference for this pose. So go ahead and take your stance. Feet are kind of angled at that 45 degree. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into a squat. Now you can change the depth of the squat depending on where you're at in your practice. This is new for you. Start with maybe a little bit higher stance. As you progress in the pose, go ahead and bring your squat a little bit lower. The arms, we're going to engage our arms. We're going to bring up, we want our shoulders level with our elbows. So kind of do this first. Then we're going to actually turn our palms facing in. So our palms are facing each other. We're going to take our shoulders, pull them back. We're going to push out our chest. And this is the full pose. So go ahead and get your arms and your legs. This is goddess pose. This is a very empowering or powerful pose. This is going to help with emotional resilience. It builds stamina, and it helps with the respiratory, the cardiovascular, and the urogenital systems. It also is really good for pelvic floor health. You want to hold this pose for a full 3 to 6 breaths. When you're in the full pose, make sure that you take your knees and you pull them back over the ankles. So really engaging the thighs and the inner part of your legs, really pushing out your legs. Pull up through the bandhas, pulling in through the belly. Excellent. To get out of the pose, you're going to straighten your legs. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, arms down. All right, that is it. I hope you enjoy that pose breakdown and you add goddess pose to help really bring courage and power into your life. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave me a comment below. Do you like goddess pose? And did you use the wall or not? Let me know what you think. Have a great day.